Good morning, gang. It is Sunday morning, and we've just anchored off the coast of Qatar. And the launch should be here to pick me up in roughly an hour to bring me ashore. I will be in the office on Monday, and on Tuesday I'll be in transit flying to Barcelona to join yet another vessel. So with that, this week is the week for submitting our midterm papers. And I have a screenshot here of everyone who has submitted their topics so far and has been approved. Everyone there so far so good. That represents about 2/3 of the class, which means about roughly 1/3 of the class has not submitted a topic for approval. And specifically, I'm referring to Miss Shannon Chedley, David Cochran, Julianne Corbett, Margaret Hughes, Matthew Hines, Corey Newman, Lauren Odell, and Kathleen Ryan. You have not submitted topics for approval. Please do that soonest, okay? If you think you're just going to write a paper and submit it, and then I'm going to accept it without having your topic approved ahead of time, that will not be happening, okay? So this paper is worth 40%. It's quite a substantial part of your term. I cannot impress upon you the importance of having your topic approved before you start to write, okay? Please get that in soonest. Also with that, let's give you a little heads up on instructions. Like I said, it is worth 40% of the term. I have specifically asked for a 2,000 word paper, plus or minus 200 words, okay, and the reason I'm doing that is I'm trying to teach you brevity and how to write a proper technical paper, okay? It is a skill that is learned like anything else. Our industry does not like fluff, your opinion, history lessons. Stay away from all of that, okay? This course is quite technical in nature, and what I want you to be able to do is to read and understand a technical concept and explain it in layman's terms, okay? Like I said, it's a skill that's learned. So a few of you will struggle with your word count, but hopefully it's a lesson you will learn sooner rather than later, and it'll benefit you later in life, okay, gang? So just bear with me. Also, I read from my word count. It starts from the first word of your introduction and it will finish at the last word of your conclusion. So I do not count the cover sheet, table of contents, executive summary, bibliography, and stuff like that. Proper documentation and referencing through the APA style is a must. Okay, you're going to have a lot of information in there that didn't come out of your brain and came from some other people, and make sure they're credited for that information. Lack of documentation and accrediting and plagiarism in general usually will get you a 49 or less. Okay. Also, exceeding the word count or not meeting the word count, you'll get penalized for that as well. So make sure you stay within the word count. And there is a rubric attached as well to give you some guidance on what I'm looking for. So, good introduction, body, writing style, conclusions, so forth and so on. Also, for dropping it off and delivering your paper to me, it is due June 22nd, no later than 23:30 on Saturday evening. You can drop it in through your assessments and assignments tabs and drop it in here to your midterm assignments. That's where we're going to pick it up from. Also, please submit your document in Word format. Okay. I use Grammarly to grade my papers, and I just take your document and throw it in there. It tells me if you plagiarize, tells me your word count and all your spelling mistakes, and helps me grade better. So a Word document is much appreciated. What else do I want to talk about as well? I do believe that is it. I want to wish you good luck with your assignment this week. All right. I know you've been writing it up all this week, and if you have any questions or you want clarification or anything really, you need assistance with it, please feel free to email me. Like I said, I am in transit on Tuesday, but that'll only be for 8 or 9 hours flight, and I'm usually pretty quick getting back to you. Like I said, my goal here is your success as well, so if you need any help, just give me a call, or not a call, drop me a line on email. Good luck with the gang, and I can't wait to read your papers. Oh, one last thing. When you do submit your paper, just drop me a line on email so that I know it's there and I can check it and start grading it as soon as possible. I don't like to have a bunch of them at the end of the week. All right? All right, gang. Good luck with it. If you need anything, give us a holler on email. Cheers. Bye.